if I told you that governments around the world could help millions more get physically active with smart public policy that helps make fitness more affordable? Our newest research shows not only that cost is one of the most frequently cited reasons for why people don't join a gym, but also that a modest price reduction enabled by strategic public policy has the potential to substantially boost participation. We know that societies around the world are struggling with the dual crisis of worsening public health trends as well as rising healthcare costs. But increasing access to physical activity can begin to reverse these trends, improve public health outcomes, and reduce the economic burdens on healthcare systems. We recently surveyed more than 11,000 adults across 10 global markets and found out that gym customers are on average more than 50% more likely to meet global physical activity guidelines. This group also report higher life satisfaction and greater trust in their communities compared to non-customers. This underscores the unique role of structured exercise environments. Gyms, fitness studios, and other facilities like them offer more than just equipment and classes. They provide accountability, community, and motivation, which are difficult to replicate outside a dedicated fitness setting. Now, as part of the same project, we also conducted a price elasticity analysis, which is something that measures how demand for a product or service responds to price changes. The findings? Well, across the 10 analyzed markets, we found that a 10% price reduction could motivate up to 14% of non-customers to join. But here's the challenge. Simply lowering prices without external support would likely strain many fitness businesses, potentially leading to closures and reducing access rather than expanding it. That's why policy solutions are so critical. Some countries are already leading the way. A decade ago, Malta reduced its sales tax on gym memberships and other fitness services. Meanwhile, Sweden has long allowed employers to offer tax-free wellness allowances to their employees, which can use them and to pay for things like gym memberships and other wellness activities. While not the only factor, it is interesting to note that Sweden has one of the highest gym penetration rates in the world, as well as one of the lowest rates of physical inactivity among industrialized nations. Smart policies such as these make structured exercise more accessible while keeping businesses sustainable. And here's the kicker. Making fitness more affordable doesn't just get people moving, it delivers massive societal benefits. By lowering barriers to entry, governments can help improve public health outcomes, thereby reducing healthcare costs, but also boost productivity and economic activity, as well as create thousands of new jobs. If we want a healthier world, we have to make fitness more accessible. The data is there. Now it's up to policymakers around the world to step up.